Are you ready to discover a lesser known essential oil? Let's talk about bergamot. Bergamot essential oil is extracted from the rind of the bergamot orange, and it's primarily grown in Italy. Historically, it was used by Italians to cool and relieve fever. In this video, I will share with you 3 tips how to use bergamot essential oil for your physical, mental, and emotional body. First tip, if you're experiencing scratchy throat, make yourself a cup of herbal tea, add a drop of bergamot and teaspoon of honey, stir it, and enjoy soothing effect of this delicious tea. Why honey? Because essential oils are sugar soluble, fat soluble, and alcohol soluble. Second tip, if you're being forgetful, diffuse 3 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of rosemary, and 1 drop of basil. It's one of my favorite diffuser blends for forgetfulness and staying focused. And third tip, bergamot essential oil is oil of self-acceptance. Dilute drop of bergamot with fractionated coconut oil, applied over your heart or solar plexus, which is upper stomach, and feel relief of self-judgment, low self-esteem, stress, and anxious feelings. If you would like to learn more about natural solutions, how to support your health, follow my YouTube channel so you can discover tips for daily living with essential oils.